This is Kalibr, the measurement infrastructure for analytical talent. Let's start with a fresh account, just signed up and there's nothing here yet. To gather data, let's go to practice. We have 14 different practice formats: interview questions, market simulations, and cognitive games. And every single one generates structured data about how you think, how you learn, and your daily habits, such as when you log on to track your burnout rates. More importantly, for the question practicing, we have used our adaptive RL system so that the users will always get questions based on weaknesses to optimize their learning paths. For IBD and asset management people, we have built a market research playground as well. Multi-agent debates on market theses, stock approach practice, and AI that pushes back on your reasoning the way a VP would in real life. Then you click any firm and you'll be able to see what they look for, what is open, and what skills matter. And we have boss fights in the form of OA simulations. Now let's switch an account that has been active for a few months. You can see a full dashboard, and with activity heat map, skill radar, session history, and readiness score by firm all lit up. This is our strongest mode, the skill constellation, where instead of one number, we have decided to map 8 dimensions of analytical ability, and each star is a different capability. For example, clicking into quant zooms in and shows the sub-dimensions like probability, combinatorics, game theory, and so on. Because we measure longitudinally, not a single test, you can see the trajectory over time, where a user started pretty low in quant reasoning, and after 3 months goes to 61, and it's a huge improvement that shows coachability for the candidate. We also have more direct career services such as CV labs, behavioral archive, and cover letters, all based on your past experiences that we've gathered from your mock interviews and your CV, and we use mind maps to help you navigate through stories. Now on the competitive side, arenas are adversarial and real-time, and we have designed to make them impossible to cheat. For example, for the market making arena, where one can quote bid-ask spreads against AI or real opponents, and also the prediction tournaments, where it's various scored forecasting that uses data from the real world, and we extract those abilities directly into the calibration dimension of your constellation. So that's the candidate experience. Now, for recruiters, for example, this is potentially what a recruiter IMC will see: dashboard, pipeline, and candidate stats. They can search by constellation shape, for example, quant above 60, learning velocity in top quartile, and shows who matches. Results that are based on verified measurement data and not just CVs. We have also given them a full hiring pipeline where they can host their own assessment arenas and recruit directly from results. And they can sponsor arenas and track every single candidate on the website just as easily. The second revenue stream is universities. For example, this is what Imperial College will see when they log in. They can see the aggregate constellation for the entire cohort, where the students are strong, where the gaps are, and they can tailor courses and workshops to cover those needs. The dashboard tracks every student and has internal leaderboards and career services that knows exactly who needs support to make the clubs more engaging.